Retired Lieutenant General Rugeje has been lined up to replace the late Ambassador Victor Matimadanda as Zimbabwe's envoy to Mozambique. Zanabida mashoko kubuda panguva ino veruzhinji ava vari kunatsa kutaridza kuti havasi kufara, vari kukumbuka vanhu vautyira General Rugeje. VP Chwenga's loyalist panguva ino achionekwa kunzi he is now lined up kuti anoassume a position as an ambassador panguva ino to replace the late Ambassador Victor Matimadanda ku Mozambique. Don't forget to subscribe like on the bell icon. Panguva ine pari kuita bongozozo vanhu vachitaura zvakasiyana siyana. Zimu ainobuda wenyora achiti His Excellency is assigning General Rugeje to Mozambique shortly, a State House source said, adding that no time frame has yet been disclosed. If confirmed, Rugeje will join a growing list of retired military commanders deployed to diplomatic missions, including Christian Kasande, UK, Douglas Nyigayaramba, Mozambique, Martin Chedondo, China, Anselm Sanyatri, Tanzania, David Stauge, DRC, Mike Sango, Russia, and others. The reported move follows Matimadanda's death and comes amid what political observers describe as a broader redeployment of senior military figures into diplomatic posts. Some analysts interpret the trend as part of efforts to dilute the influence of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga within the military establishment, although no official confirmation has been provided by the government. Ndo patashika muri Zimbabwe. Ndo developments aripo ndo nawiri mudariro panguva ino. Mboti kudzema mafure imo tikudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ndakome section medu za vungure enyu. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.